The London Marathon. Mawlana Hazar Imam, Prince Rahim, is also taking part in the London Marathon this time. And this is truly an example for the entire world. Across many religions, it is rare to see individuals who carry such great responsibilities, while also promoting physical strength and mental well-being. In this context, the spiritual leader of millions of Ismailis, the Imam of the time, is not only guiding his own community, but inspiring people around the world to recognize the importance of both mental health and physical fitness. The entire Ismaili community is filled with joy and excitement for the upcoming marathon. This event will bring together thousands of participants from across the globe. According to BBC News, the 26.2-mile course will begin in Blackheath and Greenwich, pass through southeast and central London, and finish on the Mall. What makes this marathon even more special is the participation of well-known personalities, including 7-time Olympic cyclist Dame Laura Kenny and former Arsenal and England captain Tony Adams, among others. The route itself follows the historic course, first established in 1981. In 2026, participation is expected to be even higher, with over 59,000 runners on the start line, while a record 1,133,813 people applied for a place. This is not just a race. It is a powerful message to the world about discipline, unity, and the importance of a healthy mind and body.